We're a boot, but we don't blow no flute. And we's no mute. You hear how full of vibes? Mutual vibes.
Just like that. I mean. Welcome to Neutral Vibes.
Welcome to Neutral Vibes. So today I'm driving a truck.
Yes, guys, we're driving a truck.
Oh my God.
One of them big, well, not so big, but very shaky.
So, I teach my father road. Him know places enough, but I don't think him know this side of the world. So I take him on the old backside road. You know it, you drive back there. Yeah? You drive back there already? How do you say?
We're going to look yum!
So today we are on our way to Moko, Clarendon. We will be reaping yam today. So we have with us my beautiful wife and also my lovely dad. Courage. Yeah, bro. That's thing fine. One row and courage.
Oh my favorite custard apple. No, that tastes real good. Yo, see Chosha there now? Pick two Chosha we put in a soup, Dad. See it up there, sir?
Yeah, put in a soup.
Afar?
No problem. You're not hurry,
No, hurry. I didn't want entertainment in Uncle Fed, no me.
I don't pick your shake.
Come on, Dad, do better than that. You need to shake it.
Uncle Ken, I see if you know where you come from. You know, ask you where you come from. Ask you where you come from, brother. You come from Ilian Harris.
You're utter.
So you come from Ilian, come from eh? Daddy.
You find one, Uncle Ken?
One year too. Wow. Just see it.
Oh, can I take that?
One.
Uncle Ken, where did that get that inside ticket from?
Your uncle gave it.
Come over, if you want to look at me, I will take.
Daddy say you can't climb 2 or 3. No, I don't live.
Oh, that we climb a chocho tree. You must be a psycho. Where to the daddy? Uncle Ken, daddy are coming him. Uncle Lo. Yeah man, we are come. Yeah, we come in. How then do you go on with Uncle Ken?
I got so.
I can see church them where you get.
They're good. Like so. I got so.
Two church here come a bush to come pick you.
At least I got some.
One more. Lead my eye good enough. Me I'll give you that one with fritter.
Where are you going?
Just see me pop off it. Pop it off it. No, me I will cut this from the bush. I just never have money cut this. Come, Mr. Amsterdam. I want to love your master.
I know, man.
Yeah, you know his search no more. Know that you find him. What you gonna do again, girl? You know his search no more.
Soon come on, Ken. Why? We're not that far. People, I'm walking in some bushes. All the way down there, some solar in the middle of nowhere. Oh! Oh my God, the journey. Then that will make him make the left way. And we not even know where we are go. In the middle of nowhere. People look all around us. The middle of the woods. In the middle of nowhere, people. My God. Oh my God. This is absolutely crazy. What did I do to myself? Coming all the way in these woods. Oh my God. Come in, Dad. Wait there. Come on.
Let me go in front. Yeah, right. When you there?
Put there.
Where's Newt? Newt! Oh, miss it then. See them there? In love, seeing it.
My uncle here just got pick planting. That is just coming because they could hardly keep up through the hills and valleys.
Don't do that.
You know?
You know why? You know why? You know why? You run leave.
Daddy was trying to save me from the tall grass.
Can you imagine you run and leave you and me have to
Which is so right.
very bad.
So the sun is very hot. She has to be hiding under a banana tree.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Look at my muscles.
Easy now, man.
So while Uncle Oak come to the farm and leave his machete behind, he decided to become Mr. Hulk on the banana farm. And lo and behold, after so many twirling and twirling and fighting the plantains, they finally decide to break free from the tree.
Neutral vibes.
Hey, you see right there? Here's the space. You know the cattle that go bloop, 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 bloop. And it just...
No more liquor for there, yes sir.
Yeah, look, I lick on your face.
Backside, sorry for my language. You just drink one Guinness, you know?
Hey,
And I drink a stones. Where did I drink after that?
I was drinking some Magnum. I drink.
You can't drink and mix up, Uncle Leo.
Alright, look at
What
the
do you hear?
What's them banana?
a stone in the wine, little wine. Where you plant that day?
I plant it in the, but it is dead, it's dry weather. So, you know what you want.
Let me carry that. Let me carry that.
We have one sitting here. I want a banana.
Neutral vibes.
It's Daddy also with them live.
Oh my God. High five.
So this is a catchment in the middle of the valley. This catchment is supported by rainwater, and it is used to irrigate all the farming activities within this area. I mean, all the farming activities is supported by this pond right here. We just got some lovely papayas.
Yes, guys.
And we're so famished right now, we're just going to break this. Just like how Jesus broke his bread, and we're going to eat it right now. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Very nice.
We're also able to get freshly cut callaloo. It said that there's no fertilizers that were applied to these. They only spray baking soda on them.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Very, very organic. No pesticide. So people, the ackee tree loaded to the max. So me I go feel if them ackee are ripe.
I feel it accurate.
You feel tough?
I feel it accurate. Somebody help me. You can't feel it accurate. You have to put
ackee
them
then
open on the tree.
Them not ripe yet, people. I think when it's ready to ripe. Because it was green first and now it turned red. So we think them ripe. So we have feel, but it's still not ripe. You know it? You not feel like it's ripe? It ripe?
No, it's not ready.
So I know when ackee ready.
Get away from
It's
all
just
of
not
this.
ready. You're so funny, Newt.
Yeah. This is one of the main carbohydrates that we use in Jamaica. We use dumpling, we use yam, and we use our green banana. But them say a crave for people eat green banana still, you know. We should actually wait until the banana is ripe. Right from the farm, people.
I said you take up with the meat and
Look at that. Bananas. And in this bag we have plantains. You see them? Woo! Look at that, people. American pumpkin. Nice. Very pretty. American pumpkin, guys. Pumpkin? Pear tree, people. Woo! Look at this. It's a pretty tomato field. Oh my God. The countryside. The countryside, guys. Look at that. Look at the country. Guys. Look at the pine. Look at the pine tree. So pretty. I love the pine tree. Yeah, nice. Pear tree. Look at this pear tree. Pear will be ready soon. Right on the ground. Look at my foot. The pear tree. Nice. Oh my God. The banana trees and the mango trees. Oh my God. I can't selfish people after a long day. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Like that.
So what's that in your hand? Other ackee to
You
cook?
mean? Auntie, give me ackee.
Frozen ackee.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put some frozen ackee. I'm gonna eat some ackee right now. Yeah, man. We got banana too, you know? Nice. Oh, you mean? Some nice ackee and yam. Oh my gosh.
Soft yam.
Look at that.
Not yellow yam, not renter yam, not raw, no. Soft yam.
Yeah. Chef Amos.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, the ackee come from up there, so. Nice ackee tree.
I could feel if no more ripe. Come.
No, we don't think no more ripe in on you. We not feel if it ripe, we feel if it ripe, Dad. Feel it. See it above your head then you. Feel if it ripe. See it. You think it ripe? You ripe? Woo. Ma feel if you ackee ripe. You ripe?
You feel ripe?
You feel ripe?
Then so when it change color, it ripe. Remember it is green and now it's red?
Achoo. Achoo.
After a long day, I'm so tired. I have to sit down flat on my bottom because I see it kill Mr. Muspus. Green! Pick up neutral vibes. So thank you for watching, everyone. Right now, I'm going to bed.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.